RIPPA Group's R322L Mini Excavator redefines the new standard of small construction machinery with advanced technology and efficient performance. The core configuration has been comprehensively improved, and stability and efficiency have been advanced simultaneously. The operation response is fast, and the driving experience is comfortable and smooth. R322L can accurately handle municipal, garden, and narrow land operations, helping efficient construction every moment. Equipped with Kubota D902 engine, it has strong power and lower fuel consumption, ensuring the efficiency and economy of continuous operation. Compact structure and strong performance. Body width 1,008 millimeters. Maximum digging depth 2,525 millimeters. Bucket capacity 0.045 cubic meters. Machine weight 1,711 kilograms. Supports multiple working devices and flexibly responds to various working conditions. Equipped with a large arm side swing function, the maximum deflection angle is up to 120 degrees, and the working angle can be flexibly adjusted in a small space for precise construction. The track width can be adjusted from 980 to 1,300 millimeters, which can flexibly cope with different terrains and working scenarios. With the retractable bulldozer, not only is bulldozing more efficient, but leveling operations are also more accurate. One-button switching between high and low speeds, with a walking speed range of 1.5 to 2.8 kilometers per hour, takes into account both efficiency and control. The tailless slewing design greatly improves maneuverability and turning flexibility and adapts to more complex working spaces. 360 degrees free slewing, precise response, and easy handling of multiple angles. The R322L Mini Excavator has become a new high-efficiency choice with its agile size, powerful power, and multifunctional configuration. RIPPA Smart Manufacturing Quality Choice.